Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Making vegan cookies is easy with common kitchen ingredients. Mix 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of plant milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry mixture. Fold in vegan chocolate chips if desired. Scoop onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 10 to 12 minutes.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.